Hi, my name is Joel Matthew, UR15CS177. I'm a student of Carnegie University and today I'm going to be explaining one of my lab programs from a C++ lab. So the question I've been given is to write a C++ program that prompts the user to enter the number of hours required to install a hardwood flow. We have to display the number of complete 8-hour workdays required for the job as well as the remaining hours needed on the last day. We have to also compute and display the total cost of the job at rupees 200 per day and rupees 40 per hour for any partial day. So first we have the standard library function IOStream and using namespace std. So in the int main function I have declared four variables of integer data type h, workdays, hours and cost. So first we ask the user to enter the number of hours required to install a hardwood flow, which is the value is taken by the variable h, and the number of complete workdays is calculated by h divided by 8. Since it's we have declared workdays in integer data type, so the even if we have any decimal value, it will be rounded off, and hours, the number of hours on the last day is computed by h modulus at 8, which means that the remainder will be assigned to hours. So we display the number of 8-hour working days and the number of hours remaining on the last day, and the cost is calculated by workdays into 200 plus hours into 40. So we have again displayed the total cost of installation. So let's run the program. So the user is asked to enter the number of hours required to install the hardwood flow. So let's type 45, and here we have, as you can see, the number of 8-hour working days is 8. The number of hours needed on the last date is 5, and the total cost of installation is 1200 rupees. So I have the other program which I've been given is to make pattern in the form of pyramid, in which each row will be displaying the number in the form of 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, and so on. So first we have again the header file IOStream and using namespace std. I have declared four variables I, j, k and rows. I, j, k will be used in the looping mechanism, and rows is used to take the value of number of rows from the user. So first the user is asked to enter the number of rows he wants. So and next, using nested for loop, first we have for I equal to for the first we have to take for per rows. So using nested for loop, we are going to be displaying this pyramid function. So in the first for loop we have declared two for loops. The inner for loop, one of the inner for loop is for giving the space in between for each line, and also for, and then the next loop is to display the value. So let's run the program once. So the user is asked how many rows he wants, so let's write 5, and as you can see, the pyramid pattern is displayed. Thank you for listening to me.